In this video tutorial, I'm going to share to you on how you can we can find your camera with the error code 0xA00F4244. So let's get started. So we have to click on the start button and here we have to click on settings. Now once settings is open, click on privacy and security. Scroll down and under app permissions, you'll find camera. Make sure camera access is enabled. Anyone using this device can choose if their apps have camera access when this is on. And let apps access your camera. Make sure the button is switched on, especially for the applications that needs to access your camera. Simply switch the button on from here. Now once done, close this. And we also need to clear some cache. So go ahead in the Windows search bar, type camera. Then on the right pane, click on app settings. Make sure that all app permissions are enabled from here and then scroll down and then you'll find repair. Click on that. Then click on the reset button and reset button once again. So that is for the second method. And for the third method, we need to make a right click at the start button. And here we have to select device manager. Once you open the device manager window, now here if you cannot find your camera or camera driver, click on your username and click on view and click on show hidden devices or click on action and click on scan for hardware changes. Until you can find your cameras, click on the arrow to expand the list. Then you have to locate your camera driver, make a right click, select disable device, click on yes, and then wait for a while. Then make a right click, select enable device. Then make a right click, select update driver, search automatically for drivers. Now the best drivers for your device are already installed and close this. If that worked, then good, but if not, we can update it the other way. So locate again your camera driver, make a right click, select update driver, browse my computer for drivers. Let me pick from a list of available drivers on my computer and click on next. If you have more than one available driver, choose the latest one. Now Windows has successfully updated the drivers, then close this and just restart your Windows once. Then, for the final method, you need to again locate your camera driver, make a right click, select uninstall device, click on the uninstall button. After uninstalling it, you have to restart your Windows to reinstall the camera driver again. Make a right click at the start button, shut down or sign out and restart. So, that will automatically reinstall the driver into your Windows and that will fix the issue for you. So that's it. So I hope this video helped you. Kindly please do not forget to hit the like button and subscribe to this YouTube channel for more tutorials like this. Thank you for watching.